Very good morning, guys. I am LK Tripathi from LPM Public School. Dear students, we shall start the new chapter, that is Geography Chapter 8. The topic is Climate of India. What type of climatic condition we experience in our country? This chapter will enable us a lot to know about. So first of all, let's get started. The climate change can be witnessed in many ways, including rising temperature, droughts, and desertification. B. Heavy precipitation, flooding, and rising sea levels. Next, extreme weather events such as cyclones and flash floods. How do you think we can reduce the impact of humankind on our planet Earth? Discuss it in the class. Make a list of do's and don'ts for your class to protect and preserve the environment. That's clear. Now the introduction of the climate. When we say a particular place is hot or cold or sunny, we are actually talking about the weather of the place. No doubt about that. Whenever we talk about the daily happening of the day, so we refer to the weather. Weather changes time to time, day to day, in its nature. Climate is the average weather or a pattern of weather conditions over a period of time. The climate of a country plays a major role in shaping the lives of its people. It determines the crops they grow, the clothes they wear, their festivals, and even lifestyle. The climate of a place is determined mainly by its latitude, altitude, position with respect to mountains, distance from the sea, and by winds. Let's see what role all these factors play in determining the climate of India as a whole and the climate variation found in different parts of the country. Climate in India. The climate of India varies from place to place. The coastal areas along the Western Ghats are wet because of the rain bearing winds. On the other hand, Rajasthan remains dry because the Aravalli Mountains are not high enough to check the rain bearing winds. Hence the Thar desert. Interior and central part of India experiences extreme form of climate On a hot summer day, the temperature in Jodhpuri, the Thar desert, may shoot up to 55 degrees Celsius, while Ladakh at high altitude has midwinter temperature of minus 45 degrees Celsius. Daily temperature may also vary greatly in some places, while day temperature may be very high in the Thar desert. It may drop down to below 0 degree at night. Latitude with the Tropic of Cancer running through almost the middle of the country, most of India lies in the tropical and subtropical zones. So, the temperature is quite high throughout the country. Altitude temperature decreases with increase in altitude. Places in the mountains are colder than places in the plains. As for instance, Shimla and Ludhiana are situated in the same latitude. Yet Shimla being located at higher altitude has a cooler climate. The northern belt of mountains has cold climate all through the year because of high altitude. Utti in the Nilgiris in South India and Mount Abu in Rajasthan are present hill stations which remain cold throughout the year, even though they are situated in hot region and relatively close to the equator. Himalayas. The Himalayas in the north stand as a barrier against the cold winds from northern and central Asia. Thus, North India is warm or mildly cold during winter. In summer, the same phenomena makes India relatively hot. But this mighty mountain also forces the monsoon winds to shed most of their moisture within the subcontinent and causes 3/4 of India's rainfall. Had there not been in mighty mountain barrier, the monsoon wind had flowed into Central Asia and the northern part of India would have remained dry. Distance from the ocean and sea. Places away from the ocean and sea have extreme temperature and continental climate. This continental type of climate is characterized by hot summers and cold winters. The effect of water bodies on the temperature of this area is moderate. Coastal areas and places near the sea. On the other hand, the coastal areas have a more equable climate with much less differences between summer and winter temperature. The ocean acts as a storehouse of moisture for the winds that blow from the sea towards the land. The high-lying regions in the mountains have lower temperature than the plains. In the mountainous regions, climate is determined mainly by the altitude. In this way, we have seen this topic up to here. Next, we shall discuss in the next video that will be winds. What is wind? How does wind affect the climate? When there is a difference between atmospheric pressure between two regions, air moves from the region of higher pressure to the regions of lower pressure. This movement is called wind. This thing we shall discuss in the next video properly. Till then, finish your task as provided by your teacher. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.